So, a couple days ago, Zack Snyder announced on his Vero account a contest for fans to make their own fan-made poster for the Justice League Snyder Cut. For those of you who don't know, the Snyder Cut was Zack Snyder's original vision for the Justice League movie before the loss of his daughter had him go home and mourn with his family before the editing of Justice League was completed. Unfortunately, Warner Brothers took this opportunity and brought on Joss Whedon to rewrite 80 pages of Zack Snyder's script and do 3 months of reshoots, resulting in a movie that was far from the original intention. But over the past couple of years, many fans have gathered together and formed the Release the Snyder Cut movement by buying ads, banners, and donating a lot of money to suicide prevention charities. Even the cast and crew like Jason Momoa, Ray Fisher, and Ezra Miller have supported this movement. Now, I myself am a part of the Release the Snyder Cut movement, and I'm ashamed to say I'm not exactly the most active member of that group. But I figured with this video I would change that. Starting January 23rd to February 14th, fans are encouraged to make their very own fan poster for the Snyder Cut, and as a reward, Snyder has promised a piece of memorabilia from the Justice League film. This memorabilia hasn't exactly been revealed yet, but considering the various behind-the-scenes photos we've seen in the past, one can wager it's probably something pretty cool. According to Snyder, one of the criteria for the poster, or at least the winning posters, is that it will be the one that best captures the spirit of the film. If you're interested in entering the contest, you can post your entries on Vero and Twitter. I would like to enter the contest myself, but I'm in school at the moment, and I'm kind of procrastinating making this video anyway. It's currently 2:30 in the morning as I'm recording this, but at the very least, I thought I would spread the word so that you guys would have a chance too. But what do you guys think? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I've been MufMDs, and I'll see you next time for more superhero news, animations, and reviews. Y'all have a good one. Oh, also, I have a Superman video in the works. It should be coming very soon. I've just got the editing to finish up. So yeah, be on the lookout for that.